what's going on YouTube? It's Nikki the Bombshell Biker and welcome back to my channel. I want to wish a very happy 4th of July to everybody out there. As you can see, my neighborhood decorates with little flags and I love it. I don't know who does it. They put a little business card on. I haven't checked yet, but I love that I live in a town that has some America pride. So today I just want to again wish a very happy 4th of July. I want everyone to be safe and make great choices. I want this guy to freaking move. What are you waiting on? Crazy pit bull, bad driver on board. So back on topic here. We that live here in America are part of a very fortunate group that we get to call ourselves American, and that means a lot of things to a lot of different people. But what it should mean, in my very humble opinion, is that we should have some pride of where we come from. And there's a lot of places in the world that are great, but a lot of those places don't have the basic human liberties we do. And that comes at a price, and that price is, the lives and well-beings of soldiers. And I cannot stress enough how grateful I am to live in a country with a military that is so great and takes care of us and gives of themselves for us to have basic rights and freedoms that we so often take for granted. And it's sucky that we do live in a time that this is an issue, but I count myself as so lucky and blessed to be a part of this country, even when, my government officials aren't operating the way I wish they would, or my fellow neighbors are turning on each other. At the end of the day, I have a lot of pride from where I come from, because it's the place I call home. It's the place where my Hispanic descent mom and my German descent dad made a family and raised 2 awesome daughters, where we can raise our children and we can have the opinions we have and we can do what we want to do, because we are so lucky to live in this place. And I think a lot of people let political hoopla get in the way of remembering that. And we also forget the sacrifices that were made to give us these freedoms. So let's just today send a silent prayer or thank you or good vibes up to those who serve in the military and protect our freedoms. And reach out your hand, shake your neighbor's hand, and thank them for being a part of our country. Because it's this melting pot of people, this hodgepodge group of ragtags that make up this amazing country that we get to be a part of. And don't forget that. That's really important for us to remember. That at the end of the day, that person sitting next to you is your neighbor and is part of your country, is an American. Just because they live here and they had the immense fortune to be born here. So let's not let political hoopla get in the way of what today is. Let's celebrate this amazing freedom that we have and the people that help us keep that freedom. Because without those men and women and service animals that keep us safe and go over to these places that aren't sharing the same basic liberties that we are, we wouldn't have them either. So let's not forget that today, okay, guys? But just wanted to, again, stay safe, stay sassy, and have a great 4th of July, guys. I'll see you next time.